welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for shortbread. This is something that my daughter actually requested because she recently had some, and she was like, "Mom, this is amazing." And I said, "Honey, it's really simple. It's nothing but shortbread." So let's get started.
Only very few ingredients. We need half a cup or 125 grams of butter, a quarter cup or 50 grams of sugar, 1.5 cups or 190 grams of flour, 1 tablespoon large grain sugar. In a large mixing bowl, cream the butter, cream the sugar in with the butter, add the flour. Mixture will be quite dry. It will clump up if you keep mixing. Mix until mixture forms large crumbs. Press into a dough. Roll out on a lightly floured surface. Cut into rectangles. Poke holes in the shortbread with a fork. Sprinkle with large grain sugar. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. These cookies are super simple and you can taste it. They are just a very pure kind of cookie. No fuss, no muss, just pure deliciousness. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.